I'm going to put these two together, 6, 6, and 6, 7, simplifying polynomials, and then there's adding polynomials, or adding and subtracting. We already went over this in a previous lesson. 3-term polynomial called a trinomial, 2-term polynomial, it's a binomial, 1 term is called a monomial. We went over that the degree, to find the degree of a polynomial, I mean, this has 4 terms, so we don't call it a quadrinomial or anything. We're talking about the degree, and to find the degree, you add up, and you'll want to make a note of this in your notes, you add up the exponents. So the degree of this is 1 plus 2 plus 1. This is a 4th degree monomial part of this. The degree of this, you add up the exponents, that's 2 plus 1, that's 3. The degree of this, you add up the exponents of this degree is 1. And the degree of this, you add up the exponents, it's 0. And then when you talk about a degree of a polynomial, it's the highest degree monomial gives it the polynomial's degree. So this is a 4th degree polynomial. Now, if it were a trinomial, we would have said it's a 4th degree trinomial. So adding and subtracting, you need to remember that this negative right here changes everything to its opposite. You try to drop parentheses whenever you can. So in this first one, the parentheses are doing nothing for this, so it's 5a squared minus 3a plus 6. Now, this one though, remember, is doing distributive. It's changing everything to its opposite. So now this becomes a negative 2a. This becomes a positive, no, 2a squared, sorry. This becomes a positive 3a, and this one becomes a positive 2. And then from then, you're combining like terms, and you're writing in what we call descending order, which means the a squared terms are going to come first. So you're going to group these two. 5a squared and negative 2a squared is 3a squared. Let me change my colors here a little bit. You're going to group these two. A negative 3 and a positive 3a is nothing. Okay? I can put it in there just so you can see, since I went to all the trouble of changing colors. Okay, so right here, you have the constant term, the coefficient term, plus 6 and the plus 2. That's plus 8. Well, you never put this plus 0 thing in here. Okay? So you would just put the answer as 3a squared plus 8. If there were an a term, it would go right there. You always go, a to the third plus a squared plus a to the first plus the constant term. Okay? Goes like that. Plus like this, really these are not doing anything. So you don't change the signs, they still stay the same. You group what you can group. This is 6y. This is minus 17. So you have 6y minus 17. Stays the same. All right. That's it. We'll work out a few little details in class, but we'll see then.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.